This is a journey through the backroads of rural Cambodia, where smooth asphalt turns into pure slick mud. Along the way, I bumped into local couples fishing off the beaten path. Stumbled across a group of men hunting rats in the middle of a field, and even found a full-size boat sitting completely abandoned on a dry land, crossing through the lush green rice fields on the narrow road with a beautiful sunset.
Look at
This wasn't just a simple ride back home. It was an unexpected wild ride.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really happy to take my motorbike to discover the outside Siem Reap. Now I am at the south part of Siem Reap town, and this way if we keep following straight, we will reach very close to Tunle Sap Lake, the biggest lake in Southeast Asia. Follow me and to check what is there and what you can experience. And if you are planning to visit Siem Reap, Cambodia, and you don't have anything to do beside the temples and the floating village, check this out, this video, and I hope you will get some ideas what you're going to do. Believe me, follow me now. Let's go. Look at the road, guys. This is completely mess. This is after the rain. As you know, this is rainy season in Siem Reap and other parts in Cambodia as well. Oh my God, look at this road. Are you going to try with me? Come on, look at that. Ah. Woo. Ah. What's really impressed me, in this area we don't have many houses, just only a few houses. And most of them are the farmers that plant their rice around this area. Oh my God. Oh. This is completely free if you look around. You feel the peace. And no tourists or big buses would come in here. Huh. Ooh, look at the cows. Oh my God. Hi. Woo. My God. He's sleeping. Thằng ấy nó ê. Thằng ấy nó. Bạn này kìa nhỉ? Oh. Check it out. Bạn này kìa nó ê. This guys, after I took a road about 15 minutes, I saw her. She was fishing. Look at that. She got a lot of fish. Oh my God. I think she's come with her husband, and her husband was there. He was capturing and getting the fish. I will zoom for you. And to get a fish, and then his wife is on here. Mà tăng bị cá này không?
Nọ là du cơn.
Look man, cái đam thiệt. Look at that guys. A lot of fish, but very small fish and snails. Cho này ăn vô này ăn nhầm đấy. Tụi bé vậy, có mình ấy. Yeah, she just pick the snails and throw away, but usually I eat it. I love the snails. Cho tay ông này bên này đây. Đây ngay thiệt. Ngay. Anh bên ban đây sài này thế. Yeah, just as her, she told me that she doesn't stay here. She just come from very fast, another village. She just come here for fishing, and yeah, she will be back home in the evening. Okay, let's continue with me to discover more along this road. It's very nice to meet the locals along the way and discover what they're doing. And at the moment, after I met her, she told me that the road that we are taking If we go to the bird conservation, very close to these areas, you keep driving about 5 more minutes. And this area, you cannot come around next month or maybe in September. You can only take a boat. Yeah. At the moment, I just passing by, I saw two guys. He has a slingshot. I don't know what he is doing, but check it out. Oh, look at that, what he's doing. Yeah, like my name wrong. Oh, good now. Oh, look at that, what he's doing. Oh, he's hunting a mice. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, this looks like very actionful. Oh, oh. Oh. Man ấy. Buôn nào vậy? They are hunting for mouses. Ooh, look at the guys. It's in the water. Yeah. He is looking for the mouse. I don't see the mouse. Yeah. He has a team, maybe around 5 or 6 people. Oh, this is all the material that they use for hunting the mice. This is my first time seeing the locals hunting the mice. I don't eat mice. I eat insects like crickets, grasshoppers, but mice I've never tried. But this is very delicacy food for the locals, and usually they don't hunting the mice that live in the town. They just hunting the mice that eat the rice, and they can only hunt them during this time of the years when the water is coming. Oh, look at that! They are find something. Oh. Look at the guy.
Look for that ơi.
Lalanne! Catch the mice.
Drama.
Oh. This is fun. This is growth. And this is life. Vô này. Bánh vô từ lúc rồi hộp con này không?
Lâu rồi.
Dạ. Đại giờ mà to vậy.
To lâu rồi.
Yeah. Yeah, just joking around with him. He told me yeah, he's going to grill the mice very soon and then they're going to eat. Check it out. Okay, this is what he's going to do. Put water in the hole. I think maybe the mice will come out from the hole. Dạ, tức là thấy phải chỉ cái đào trên mặt cái đào này. Okay, let's check it out. Ooh. This is a fun hunting for mice.
Mơ thằng đó mà khơi nhá, chơi ai pro.
He told his boss jumping to the tree.
Quay này nơi lư. Ô no. Dạ trật qua nghe prang hay không? Anh nói trơ một rồi nè. Này khi bay chua một chỗ rồi không?
Yeah, he's going inside to get the mice. It's really funny to see all of these guys hunting for mice. Yeah, try to catch the mice. Okay, con nha bông, bye bye. Và play to pirang kita kada bang. Kada. អរគុណ Oh, look at that! What I have found! Oh my god! This guy occupies my road! Woo! Hi guys! Oh my god! Oh. Ah, now I know. What it puts the net in the middle of the road. It must be them. It must be this guy or this guy. Okay, I think they are coming for harvest of rice. That's right, Wong. Yeah, that's right. Look at the rice. Look at this sign. What do they say? Okay, boat and kayaks riding. It was over there, and as I asked the guy, this is the way going to the bird conservation in Siem Reap. It's called Bang Perian. Ah, look at the guys riding the machine. As you know, many other parts in Cambodia, they haven't harvested rice yet, except only this area. This area very close to Tonle Sap Lake, where they can harvest rice 3 times a year. And they have to harvest the rice before September, but it's the flood season. But while many other parts of Cambodia, they just start growing rice. Oh, good day, Wong. Bạn trai đấy? Look at the guy, fishing man. He said he doesn't get much fish. Let's check some more đi bạn ấy. Look at that. A few fish. Bao nhiêu vậy bạn?
Nó tầm ngày
Đấy bao nhiêu ấy?
lúc đi em
Này cao nó đấy.
họ
Bọ. Cái bọ ban này. Okay. Okay, let's go and find out what's over there. And if you look straight, you can see some houses over there. So let's go with me and check it out. Bạn ơi bông. Bạn ơi. Bạn hả? Oh, look at that. Guys, he's preparing. Anh ấy cái không? Đặt tray á cái đã. Xí gì? Đặt làm.
Tray được vô tiếp mình.
Cái này nào không?
Ô này. Nó vật print.
Vật print on chuyện này nè.
Bà cảnh mà.
Chả tụng nó bon hay gì?
Bố, mình chặt tray này.
Chả tray.
Bà.
Tụng chào là nó lơ cục.
Tức chào là cái đây đập nhiều cái nê sần.
Này cái đập nhiều từ bia ràng á. Cái này miền sát đây là bia ràng.
Cái này miềnตึกcái đây phân miền sạt về.
Rốt bỏ.
Và về riêng tinh được về.
Chả này khai đi tớiตึกtao này lấy áo hả này?
Lấy nơi trông riêng này tinh.
Nó cho riêng. Yeah, just asking with the guys. He told me the boat. Look at the boat. It was on the dry land. It doesn't have the water. I asked him like, why this boat is on the land? He told me this time we don't have the water. Soon the water will come out, and you can see the tree. That is where the water is coming. So the boat will be floated, and this boat is served for the tourists. They will bring the tourists going this way, going to the bird conservation. Anyway, I asked him, and he told me there isn't many birds this time because the water is getting higher and higher. Right. Okay, look at that. Bạn đấy không?
nó bạn tray
Bạn trai chứ. Today not many people get a lot of fish. Ooh, look at that. It's very small fish from here. Tao bao nhiêu nè?
nè nó lấy gì vậy
Nói chút tiền là nó kê nó khai và sáng nó này đây. Khăn thạ cùng cái này này chứ nào. แต่ไปแค่นิดหนึ่งเลยđầyแต่แค่ปีแค่นิดนึงเลยนี่เดียว Yeah, it's very funny. If you look to straight that one, you can see a huge house. This time they live on the ground, but 2 more months they have to live on the second floor. They cannot come down because the water is goes everywhere, and you can see the sinks over there. That is where the water is coming from. Okay, all right. Let's continue our ride. Oh my God! Woo. Oh, this is it's not good. Ah, it's not good. It's not good. Oh, this is even. Woo. Oh, what a house! What a setup! Yeah. Jump ai nè bang. Ô tia. Đây thế này bang nhở? Nơi man khai bàn từ mình. Bị phải khai rồi tên nào thiệt? Chậm tập bị phải khai thống lụa. Lụa ấy tới cái lành gì? Người ta đô cái lành đô tì tàng. Okay. I met the guy, the owner of the ducks. Because this area is flood soon, so he had to feed these baby ducks about along the road. Yes, about 3 months. So after the ducks is growing up, the cells, and then they be relocated. The tents moving further to different place, and then they start feeding the ducks again. Yeah. So I guess the house is they have to move to different places every time. Yeah. Chụp tia rai. Oh. Look at the water. Let's try this one out. I can't do it. Oh my. Oh my gosh. This is not good. This is not good idea. At this, come on. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh my. Again. Come on. Oh man. After driving across the paddy rice fields around 20 minutes, I feel a little bit tired. Look at my motorbike. Look at that. Oh, it's all the dirt. Ooh. Yeah. Look at the road. I am from there. And look at the rice field. This is amazing. This is so beautiful. Here is no one else, just only me. And I can see the mountain over there, is Crown Mountain. And then the sun is really set down. This is the perfect spot for the sunset for me. And this is the best time for me to relax. Yeah, after working and riding a motorbike across the rice field. Yeah, at the moment I almost fell to the pond because I went too fast, and then my brake, it doesn't work. You can check on my brake a little bit. Yeah, come on, see, it goes really down, and when I try to brake, and then it's hit the ground, and I almost fell off my motorbike. Luckily, yeah, I didn't. So I have to be more careful than this time. Okay, now just enjoy the views of the sunset and from the other side of the Reef, and listen and hearing the voice of the natures.
And that is how you tackle the back roads of rural Cambodia. From deep mudslides to incredible local encounters, these turn out to be one unforgettable ride. If you enjoyed that chaos, smash that like button, leave a comment below with your favorite part, and subscribe to join the next adventure.
Days ago, betray a story, every hue, echoes of laughter, tears too. The world slows down, time's a blur in